How to make money with banner advertising, I break into 3 levels. Now, banner advertising is seen as this kind of easy thing to do, and it is easy. The problem is it can junk up your site if you don't do it right. So here are the 3 levels that I suggest looking at if you're going to venture into banner advertising. And I think you should. First of all, if you're running a content site, meaning like a blog where you're writing articles or posts, or maybe you're posting a lot of photos or something like that's really kind of a media or publishing business, well, the traditional way to monetize a publishing business is indeed through advertising. So you're going to have to head towards advertising pretty quickly. On the other hand, if you are running a business that is about selling products, I mean an e-commerce business, you're selling shoes or downloads or something yourself that you are the merchant yourself, well, then having a bunch of ads on your site can be dangerous because they distract your customer. And the last thing you want to do is spend all the time and effort to build a website and do the marketing to attract a customer and then have them come by and say, oh, well, I was interested in your stuff, but that ad there, I'm going to click on that and leave. So you don't want to compete with yourself by trying to make a nickel or a dollar from various ads you put on the site. So if you're an e-commerce site, I would be careful. And I'll come back to that because there is a solution. But let's talk back about media sites for a second again. If you're running a blog, a video blog, you're posting photos, some sort of content site, then advertising is your main opportunity. You're going to try to aggregate as many visitors as possible and get them to click on your ads. I mean, this is exactly what the NBC and CBS do. This is what bigger websites do, like any of your newspaper sites or media properties. Advertising is the way to go. So as I said, I've got 3 levels for you to think about. First is AdSense and text ads. You can go to AdSense.com, which is Google's big advertising service. You can sign up for a free account, and it's a little tricky, but there are a bunch of tutorials, and if you have any problems, just join Click Millionaires and we'll walk you through it, I guess is the easy way to say that. Sign up for a free account, and you can get a little bit of code and put it on your website. You can do this, especially once you get the hang of it, you can do it literally in like 5 minutes. I swear to you, I'm not exaggerating. I do this all the time. We swap different ads out in different sizes and shapes, and they don't just have little text ads. They've got big skyscrapers and banners and even image ads, meaning pictures too. So whatever fits appropriately for your site, you can get those for free from Google AdSense and put them on your site. And then when somebody clicks on them, you'll make a nickel or 50 cents or $1, whatever it is, okay? That's the base case. Now you can make a little money, but it takes a lot of traffic to make a lot of money from AdSense. Because again, you're only getting a portion of what Google's actually billing the advertiser. The second level is affiliate ads. Thinking about affiliate ads can be a little more profitable because they're a little more targeted perhaps. So if your blog is about video games or movies or shoes, each of those is going to have big companies that are selling video DVDs or video game consoles or shoes, things like that are affiliate ads. And I would suggest going to commissionjunction.com or linkshare.com or going directly to a company that you like and finding if they have an affiliate program. And what that means is they'll give you an ad that you can put on your site, and you'll get paid, again, every time somebody clicks on it. But in this case, it's usually they have to go beyond the click and actually make a purchase. But in this case, the commissions can be quite large. For example, TrySiteBuildIt.com is a URL I mentioned earlier. SiteBuildIt is a company that I'm an affiliate for, and I recommend you try too. TrySiteBuildIt.com will tell you about this website building company. I think it's a great tool. But every time somebody clicks on one of those links, including if you click on it right now that I'm talking about it, I get $75. Now that adds up, right? I've made tens of thousands of dollars, well, certainly thousands and thousands of dollars from SiteBuildIt over the years. I get a check every month, and it doesn't take any work because I already have the sites up there, and the ads just sit there. So you, too, can do that sort of thing with affiliate programs, especially if you find a topic and products that fit your audience's interests and needs. Now, the third level is to go with custom sponsorships. If you actually get enough traffic where people are really interested, you could start to get big advertisers. And then you can go directly to a sponsor. If you're selling exercise, if your blog is about exercise equipment because you're a personal trainer, well, you could probably find an exercise equipment dealer and go directly to them and say, I'd like you to put an ad on my blog for $1,000 a month. Or if you have an art website, you could find an art supply store. If you have a gardening website, maybe you could find an affiliate program would be a good place to start, but maybe there's a direct deal with a nursery or something like that. And those direct deals are where you can start to make some real money. Now, the best case here is that you overcome this split As I've suggested, there's a split between trying to market your own stuff if you have an e-commerce site and to market other people's stuff because you've aggregated an audience that can make money for you. The best case is when you have your own products to sell. And then I actually would put banner ads on your site. And I'm using banner ads generically. I'm not always talking about a 468 by 60 banner. I'm talking about buttons, the square buttons, and 300 by 250s and skyscrapers and whatever works on your site. I'd put ads on your site for your own products. Why? Because they should have the highest margin of anything you sell. If it's your own thing, especially if it's a downloadable product like an information product, you should have a very high margin on that, and it should beat what you'd be making from AdSense ads, affiliate ads, or even direct sponsorship deals, because you're not splitting the money with anybody. And that's where I would really head for. So if you're an e-commerce site and you've been listening to this so far and saying, okay, I guess ads are out for me, I'd say they could be, but probably it would be even better if you had some nice, attractive graphics made that promoted your own products. And that can drive traffic back inside your site. You can swap the ads out and put on sales and stuff just like a real store in the real world. And that's the way I would use banner ads the most effectively. Create ads for your own products. And then, of course, try all these different things, test them, and see what works the best. So I hope that helps for you, your advertising strategy there, Tony. I think banner ads are good. They can clog up your site and distract customers. But if you do it right and respect the expectations that they have when they're coming to visit and try to match and serve what they're looking for, the banner ads can help you highlight attractive offers that can help you make more money. So that's my summary of the online banner advertising space. This is part of the Click Millionaire Show that's out on every Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific, and is archived live at scottfoxradio.com. That's the podcast archive, scottfoxradio.com. Or at clickmillionaires.tv is the live show. So we'd be happy to hear from you, and your questions are welcome too. Visit me anytime at scottfox.com, and I'd recommend signing up for the free email newsletter, and then you'll get updates and clips from the show as well. Thanks for being with me today if you're new here.